Hi guys, Nate Short here. Welcome to this second video of a 5-part series that I'm doing on the top 5 reasons to own real estate investment properties. Now in the first video, you may recall that we talked about cash flow, which is the first thing we analyze when we're looking to invest. And hopefully you remember the case study that we looked at, which is this townhome in the Green Lake neighborhood of Seattle, which was purchased for $340,000 in July of 2011. Now our initial rent started at $2,300 and our expenses, including our mortgage, taxes, insurance, and a $100 maintenance buffer, came out to be $1,793 per month, giving us a positive cash flow of $506 per month or 7.95% return on our initial investment. So what's the second thing that we look at when we analyze an investment property? Well, that would be leverage. Now, leverage can be both good and bad in that it depends on which way the market is going. In an appreciating market, leverage is your single largest ally in building material wealth. And in our example of the townhome, you recall our initial investment again was $76,000. That was what the investor wrote a check for at closing. But they're invested in a $340,000 asset because they're borrowing the remaining 80% of the balance from the bank. Make sense? So if the townhome goes up 3%, then in value, that's $10,200, which is 13.1% return on that $76,000. Now this investment actually in real life went up 8% in its first year, which was $27,200 or 35.7% return on their initial investment. And that is how such extreme wealth is built in real estate. Now, of course, there are several things that can happen. First, you don't actually make the money until you sell. Second, you have selling costs, of course, which we are not factoring in, such as excise tax, real estate fees, escrow and title fees, etc. But I think you get the idea. So to recap the case study, the investor made a 7.95% return in cash flow and another 35.7% return on appreciation at the end of year 1. However, this is only the second reason to own real estate investments. In fact, we have 3 more to discuss, and those are debt reduction, tax savings, and we'll revisit the idea of appreciation in the last video. And of course, you can get all 5 videos on our investment analysis tool, all at the WindermereHomeTeam.com. And of course, if you like this video and want to get alerted as to our next videos, you can subscribe to our channel by just clicking on the link below. So thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next video.